Our team just got back from an in-person event in New York hosted by Artlist. Along with roughly 150 fellow creators from around the world, we were there for the official announcement of 3 major launches. First up, Artlist AI Toolkit. Second, Artlist's very own Image Model 1.0. And then, Artlist teased the biggest announcement of the 3, the Artlist AI Studio, a brand new system that gives creators an insane level of control over AI video generation. Now, the new Artlist AI Studio isn't live yet, so I can't show you that part just yet. But what I can tell you is that it's coming very soon. However, what I'm going to show you right now and what's live right this minute is the Artlist AI Toolkit. So what exactly is the AI Toolkit? Basically, Artlist took all of their AI models, image, video, voice, and sound, and pulled them into one clean interface, talking about all the heavy hitter models on the market. So instead of jumping around between different tools, logins, or workflows, you create everything inside of a single project with full control over all the different models you want to use. You can go from idea to assets to a finished sequence without breaking your creative flow. And in this video, I'm going to build a full AI sequence from scratch, step by step, so you can see exactly how it works. First up, let's head on over to artlist.io. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. I'm going to click on Start Free Now, continue with Google. Once you land on the main page, you're going to see at the very top the AI Toolkit. Once you're on the toolkit, you're going to land on video to image. Now you can easily jump between voiceover right here. I'm going to come back over to video and image. And if you come down to the very bottom in the prompt box, you're going to see that everything is in here. We're on the generate image option right now. And if we come over here, we have all the heavy hitter models: Nano Banana Pro, Artlist's new original 1.0 model, Grok image, Nano Banana, GPT 1.5, everything is in here. And if we come on over to video, let's click video over here, generate video, you're going to see all the heavy hitter models are in here as well. Veo 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, Kling, Grok image, Kling 01 Pro. So it is all in here. Now on the left-hand side, we can go ahead and click on new session right here. And you're going to see your previous sessions are going to fall below this. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. So first off, I want to create a scene. I'm going to go ahead and create an entire creative sequence with the AI Toolkit. To start things off, I'm going to come over here. We've got image selected. I'm going to click on the models. I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro. Obviously, it's a very powerful model. You get a lot of good results with it. We're going to pick our settings. I'm going to go with a 16:9 aspect ratio. We can pick the quality. I'm going to go with 2K. Let's go with 2 images. Then I'm going to pop in my prompt right here. Here's my prompt. I'm basically envisioning a floating astronaut in his spaceship. And I'm just going ahead and I'm describing the environment. So I want it to be very cinematic, zero gravity, IMAX style, that sort of a look. So what I'm going to do is punch this in right now. Let's do that. So as soon as I do that, we're going to be working in our brand new session. So all the different kind of generations that I do are going to be within this session, so long as I stay in here. All right, so we have a pair of astronauts. What I'm going to do is come on over here and click on this auto prompt button. So Artlist is going to go ahead and analyze my prompt and then revise it. So it did make some slight revisions. I can always undo it as well, but let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, so I just did that a couple of different times and I revised the prompt ever so slightly. I actually created these 2 astronauts right here, and these are the exact kind of look that I wanted to go with. Basically, what I'm going to do now is create my first scene with this image. So I'm actually going to come on over to this image right here. I do have it favorited, and I can actually click on generate video right here. Let's do that. This is going to immediately switch over to the generate video option. Again, I'm still in the exact same session. Let's open this up. I do have Kling 2.6 Pro selected. You can see all the different models in here. You can see how much they cost. Each model in here is going to tell you what it's best used for. It's also going to tell you its features. For example, Sora 2 Pro supports audio, 1080p, 12-second long generations, while Veo 3.1 supports start and end frame, 4K, audio, and 8-second long generations. I'm just over on Kling 2.6 Pro. This one does support start frame. So we do have our image selected, which is our start frame. It supports audio as well, 1080p, and up to 10-second generation. So I'm going to make sure this is selected. And I do have my start frame selected right here. All right, so here's my prompt. So I want the camera to slowly pull backward from the astronaut's helmet with a subtly widening frame as he floats weightless inside the space station. In general, I want a calm stillness that emphasizes isolation and scale being in space. Now, this model does also support sound, so I'm going to specify that I want soft and calm space station ambiance with a cinematic hit sound at the beginning. I'm going to go with a 5-second generation. I have audio selected. We can turn it on here or off. We can also do a negative prompt as well. And there also is a guidance scale. We can adjust that as well. Let's come on over here and click on generate. Here's our generation. And as you can see, this followed my guidance exactly. This is the exact kind of vision I was looking for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and repeat this process a couple of different times. I'm gonna take all my scenes, I'm gonna combine them together into one sequence. Now, whenever you're in your toolkit, you can just go ahead and click on any of your assets. So for example, this one right here, and it's gonna tell you the exact prompt and all the settings used as well. Once you're happy with all your generations, you can switch over to the voiceover setting right here within the toolkit. So let's do that. All the voiceovers within Artlist have been seriously leveled up as well. I'm gonna come over here to the prompt box. You're gonna see we have the heavy hitters such as ElevenLabs and MiniMax. I actually came over here to this one, Shadow. I'm just gonna go ahead and play this.
More than exploration, it was obsession to know what's beyond the silence. The first proof of life beyond Earth.
Okay, so all I did was come on over to Shadow and I clicked on select voice right here. So if I do that, it's gonna go ahead and input that option right here. I'm gonna come on over to a previous transcript that I made. Then I created a short little script and then I downloaded it for my sequence. All right, now this is how everything came together when I stitched up my clips with minimal editing.
Up here, everything slows down. No noise, no gravity, just distance, time, and reflection. Every decision feels heavier and clearer. It's time to move forward.
This is why the Artlist AI Toolkit is such a big deal. Everything in this production, the images, the video, special effects, sound, voiceover, was from Artlist and primarily generated within the toolkit. This is a full creative workspace where image, video, voice, and sound all live in one place and work together. No jumping between tools, no broken flow, just turn your ideas into assets all the way to a finished sequence all inside one project. And with the Artlist AI Studio coming out very soon, this is clearly just the beginning. If you're any kind of creator experimenting with AI in 2026, this is 100% worth checking out. So I'll go ahead and have the Artlist link in the description so you can try the AI Toolkit for yourself. And I want to know what you build with it. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.